So recently I bought a new sketchbook and new colors. So I went to Chat GPT and asked for, hey, what should I draw today? So GPT gave me many options to choose. So I decided to go for abstract art. Alright, now let's get a sketchbook. Today I'm going to use my new colors. I tried to make an eye but I didn't like it. So I'm trying another one. I hope it turns out well. Basically, I'm using red, blue, gray, yellow, and black color to make this drawing. Hope you will like it, and make sure to subscribe if you're new to this channel and leave a like. Alright, I'm done with this drawing and I really like it how it turned out. Anyways, now I'm going. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye, take care, and enjoy the review. Bye.